Hello, good afternoon. We're here in Expo, Singapore because we're going to watch the concert of the Asian songbird, Regine Velasquez. So I'm here with my best there on the other side, wearing pink and maroon. So this is the Expo Arena at 7. So they're here. The line will start at 6:30, but we're here already. It's very early.
Kakain mo na tayo. Wala pa naman palang ano.
Okay. Yan si Besco. Pink na pink.
Best talaga?
Yan. Best talaga.
Talaga ba, best?
Naka-YouTube ako Nakamusta ko ya. Ayan naman si Pink. Oh, kakain daw muna kami. Saan kami kakain? Saan may McDonald's dito? We're looking for McDonald's. Uy. We will take photo with the group.
Wala pa naman sila eh. Mamaya na.
So we're here. This is Expo Singapore. They're renovating on the other side. The concert will start at 8 o'clock. They say that it's until 9:30. So we are here. I'm okay already. Thanks God. So I will watch this. Expo Singapore.